Is your SSD not showing up in disk management or BIOS in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is what to do. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. The solid-state drive is a great upgrade over the hard disk drive. It is comparatively faster and is one of the best ways to increase a system's performance. However, some users have reported that Windows 11 or Windows 10 fails to recognize the SSD. By default, Windows is designed in such a way that it automatically recognizes any external drive. Method 1. Check connection. The first reason Windows 11 cannot recognize the SSD is a loose connection. This issue typically occurs when using an external SSD. As a solution, reconnect the SSD to the port. You can even clean the computer port before reconnecting the SSD. Once connected, check whether the system recognizes the drive. If not, remove the SSD and connect it to any other system. If that system recognizes the SSD, it indicates a problem with the USB port on your main system. In such a case, you can't do much other than get it repaired by a professional. Method 2. Initialize drive. An old drive, be it HDD, SSD or USB drive, can get corrupted due to some unavoidable reasons. In that case, Windows 11 will not recognize the drive. Furthermore, Windows will also fail to recognize the drive if it has not been initialized. In either case, you will need to create a new volume to resolve the issue. Here are the steps you need to follow. Press the Windows key to open the Start menu. Type Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions and press Enter. Right-click on the problematic drive and choose the Initialize Disk option. Choose GPT as partition style and click OK. The problematic SSD is now initialized. Right-click on it again and choose New Simple Volume. Click on the next option in the New Simple Volume wizard window. In the following window, make sure the maximum disk space is similar to the simple volume size. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Choose the file system as NTFS and click on Next. Lastly, click on the Finish. Now restart your SSD system and check if the system is recognizing SSD or not. Method 3. Change drive letters and paths. Navigate to Start menu, then type Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Right-click on the problematic SSD and choose Change Drive Letters and Paths. Choose the Add option if the drive letter is not already assigned. Right-click on Change if the drive letter has already been assigned. Click on the drop-down menu and choose any letter you want for the SSD drive. Tap on OK. Restart the system and check if the problem persists. Method 4. Download latest driver update. Outdated drivers can also cause the issue. To resolve this, you will need to download the latest driver update. Here are the steps you need to follow. Press Windows+I to open the Settings menu. Click on the Windows Update option. Navigate to Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. In the following window, you will have a list of all the available updates for your system, including disk drivers. Install the available update to resolve the problem. Method 5. Change system BIOS settings. You can change the SATA operation mode if Windows 11 is not recognizing the SSD. Different systems have different methods to open the BIOS window. You can find the exact method on the manufacturer's website. Although the procedure will be similar across all systems, the steps below will get the work done on a Dell system. Go to System Configuration, choose SATA operations and set it to AHCI. Click on Apply and exit the BIOS. If you're still experiencing the issue, it is likely due to a problem with the SSD itself. In that case, you can't do anything other than have it replaced at the place you bought it. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.